What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. There's sometimes when you use a Galaxy Z Fold 8, and really any Galaxy Z Fold, but especially the Galaxy Z Fold 8, since it has such a wide display on the inside display, that the app just won't look right. It's not optimized. For instance, when we open up this game right here, Tic-Tac-Toe, you can see it's cutting off the edges. And to properly orient it, I have to go like this. And even then, it still kind of looks kind of weird. So there's a couple of things I'm going to show you first. So let's go home and then let's open that app again up. So what we're going to do is press and hold on the app, and then we're going to hit the I in the top right. And then on this screen, what we're going to end up doing is we're going to go down until we see aspect ratios. Tap on that, change it to full screen, go home. And now when we open up that same app, it's going to be full screen. And it still might look kind of awkward, and it's not going to work for every single app. I'll totally admit that. And obviously this app is probably not looking its absolute best, but we'll just open it up. We'll see if this does work better. We'll choose one of these levels here. All right, so this actually doesn't look too bad once you get into the app. So I would say with this app, you totally could get it so that let's change that color again, or whatever. So this looks actually pretty good. Yeah, it fills up the whole entire screen. That looks good. There'll be other times it doesn't look good, so you'll want to go back into that and switch it back to an orientation that matches. Because again, not every app is optimized. You literally just go into the same spot here and go back to app default or 16:9. That way. But that's how you'll do one of these things. Again, if the app isn't looking right. Some of these apps just look fine right out of the box. Like if you go into one of these smart apps, like for instance, I haven't signed into my LifeX app, but the LifeX app already looks good. I can already tell it's going to be full screen. It's all good. They properly optimized it for folding displays, especially this Galaxy Z Fold display that's a little bit wide. Now, the other thing you're going to want to do is, say for instance, say you open up an app, and I'll do this for a game again. You open up Wordscapes, for instance, and you can see it's already defaulting to be a vertical view app. I can't use it in this orientation. Well, there's a workaround for that. So go home. So what you want to do is swipe down from the top, hit the gear so that you go into settings, and then go all the way down. And we're going to do this the easiest way, honestly. You can go into one of these things in here, but ultimately just go into search at the bottom here, type in portrait. And you're going to see where it says landscape view for portrait apps. It's under labs. So if you go to settings and then advanced features and then labs, you can go that way. But ultimately you're going to see landscape view for portrait apps. Come in here, and if we go down to Wordscapes, that's what this game is, but otherwise just go down to the game or app in question. You can see it's off right here. If I turn it on and then I go back into this same app, I'll be able to play it in this orientation. Now it is, as you can see, it's cut off, so it looks kind of weird. So we might have to go back into this and set it to a full screen app. So let's go in here, press that, hit that, go into our app aspect ratio, set it to full screen, go home, go back into Wordscapes, and it should work and look pretty good at this point. And there we go. I can play it in this orientation. It looks like it's going to work fine. There you go. So you can mess with your apps. Those are going to be the two things you're always going to mess with in your Galaxy Z Fold 8 app. And again, this isn't anything particularly new, but for someone new coming over to the Galaxy Z Fold line, especially the 8 or 8 Ultra, and especially on this phone, you're probably gonna have to do some things like that. So check it out. If you wanna pick one of these up, it's linked down below, as well as the grip I love right here. This is an awesome grip you can wirelessly charge through. You can use it as a stand. You can even use it to hold your phone like I mentioned. So everything's gonna be linked down below. Check it out. Have a great day, and we'll see you guys down the road. Peace.